Hey friends, welcome to Pagan's Beauty. My name is Diana and I hope you're having a fabulous day because I know I am. Today we're going to unbox some candles from Auelife and I'm so excited because I love candles. I do. Here's the box. It was very nicely packaged if I might add, right? So we're going to open it up. Here, see? It comes with this card inside of it, a thank you card, and ooh, this is packaged very nicely. They look really pretty too. Oh, look at this. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So this is vintage leather, vanilla bergamot leather. Let's see how it smells. It smells good. It smells fancy. Look at that. It smells good. It's a nicely packaged. It's pretty. It's elegant. I like this. I like this. All right. The next one, smoke and vanilla. Tobacco, vanilla, wood. It's hand poured natural soy wax. And it's, oh, this smells real good. And this is definitely from Amazon. You can get it from Amazon. I will definitely put the link in my description. I would definitely recommend these. They're nicely made and smell freaking amazing. This one is vintage oak, cedar, bergamot. Look at that. All right, and this one is lavender woods. It has citrus, lavender, and cedar wood. And let's see the smell. Oh yeah, that smells like cologne. That's what this smells like. But it's nice. It smells like a man. I would totally like this. All right, so this is what we're gonna try and do. I'm gonna get a lighter and we're gonna go ahead and light one, just to go ahead and try it out. It's lit. I like it. So friends, if you guys like hair videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, a thumbs up, comment your favorite part or anything you want to say. Thank you so much for watching. It means so much to me. And looking at my review for these candles, it smells so delightful, by the way. I like it. I will definitely leave the link in the description. And until next time, friends, adios.